Mai Tai is a very strong drink. You're going to use 3 liqueurs. So you take 20 milliliters or 2 cl of a dark rum. It can be an aged rum, a very expensive rum, whatever you want to. So let's do 2. Put it in our Manhattan shaker. 2. Then we'll take a white rum. I'm just going to take a standard one, nothing special, just a Captain Morgan white rum. And there. Then we carry on with our triple sec, which is the orange liqueur that's required by the Mai Tai. There are a number of other liqueurs that you can use for this, I've seen. Okay. Then we take 1 cl or 10 milliliters of lime juice. Put it in there. And also 10 milliliters of lemon juice to kind of balance out the alcohol. And then finally, I got a pro tip. I'm going to put in 80 milliliters or 8 cl of pineapple juice. So I'm interested to see how this tastes. That goes in there. We put our ice cubes in there, 5 or 6. And the final thing, this is very important, is you need a nutty taste, which is almond syrup. Put in 10 milliliters. And then your drink should be nicely balanced. Or a little more if you want a little sweeter, I do. Just put it in there. Close your Manhattan shaker and shake. So we're done with that. Take off the spout. Put it in your glass. That's the Mai Tai. And just before it's all done, just give it another shake. Get some more froth. Okay. Then, decorate it with a lime wedge. Get your straw. And give it a taste. Here, I'll put the music on.